Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. It's been so long since I uploaded a video, but I'm glad now I'm back for some action. First, I would like to thank Naenka for providing this review unit. These are the Naenka Lite Pro true wireless earbuds. These earbuds are meant for casual use as well as gaming since they have low latency. Anyway, before we proceed, the earbuds are currently on offer for $60. Check the link in the description below. Well, let's look around the package. At the front of the package, you can see the Naenka branding. At the bottom, we have some writings, update your sound experience. We have the same writings at the top of the package. And we have nothing at the sides. At the back of the package, we have some technical information about the earbuds. Just pause the video if you're really interested in checking them out. Let's unbox this unit and see what stuff we get inside. The overall packaging is awesome and everything is intact. Let's proceed by checking the contents inside the package. A user manual is included. It's in Chinese and English. A charging cable is also included, and the amazing part is that it's a Type-C cable. That's all that is included. Let's check out the unit itself. The unit is plastic built, hence lightweight. It has this glossy finish, which means it's a fingerprint magnet. It's actually pretty small. Here it is side by side with the AirPods. The designs are different from one another. It has an LED at the front, which indicates charging. The earbuds are also smaller compared to the AirPods. Pairing is as usual, it's just the same like other brands. Once you remove them from the case, they enter pairing mode. It's very easy to connect to your device from henceforth. Before I go to the sound quality, the touch gestures work fine, either pausing or resuming the music. Most earbuds do that as well. Well, when it comes to sound quality, that's where everything changes. The overall sound quality is amazing, although it's not that loud, but it actually isolates well. The clarity is sweet. It doesn't have the deepest bass, but it's definitely there. The mids and high are well tuned. They're amazing for any kind of genres, to be honest. For this price, it's definitely worth every penny. By the way, the earbuds are rated up to 7 hours of continuous music listening and 6 hours in gaming mode. Sincerely speaking, if you want true wireless earbuds with awesome sound quality for cheaper price, then go for this. I can recommend them to anyone. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.